Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate monthly running total sales per customer using SQL Server. We have an orders table with customer number, product number, shipped quantity, unit retail, and order date, etc. Order dates are in float format. For example, 210105 stands for February 5th, 2021. Our task is, for each customer, calculate running total sales per month in 2021. Display customer number, order date in YYYYMM format, and total sale. Order by customer number, order date in ascending order. The sample output is something like this table. And we'll use two approaches to solve the problem. One uses window function plus common table expression, and another uses self-join. Let's see how to use window function plus common table expression to solve the problem in SSMS. First, we use a CTE to convert order date to YYYYMM format, and selects the columns as needed. In the Windows function, we use sum to calculate a running total per customer. Partition by groups, rows by customer. Order by ensures the sum accumulates month by month. Distinct in the query ensures one row per customer per month. Finally, we order the results by customer number and order date. This method is efficient and concise. Execute the query and we can get running total of all customers. Now let's see a second method, self-join plus common table expressions. We start similarly in CTE1, converting the order date to YYYYMM. In CTE2, we pre-aggregates monthly sales per customer by SUM, shipped quantity multiplied by unit retail, and grouped by month. Then converts order date string YYYYMM to a numeric year month for easier comparison. In the self-join, we join C1 to C2 for the same customer, where C2 month less than C1 month. Summing C2.total sale gives the running total up to the current month. Run the query and the result is same as window function. This approach shows explicit calculation using self-join. Useful if window functions are unavailable. The disadvantage is slightly slower on large datasets compared to window functions. To recap, both methods give the same result, a cumulative running total per customer per month. The window function method is usually faster and cleaner, while the self-join method is more explicit. You can use either based on your SQL Server version and performance needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.